Hi everyone, welcome to day 13 of the first 30 days. So today we are revisiting something that we did about a week ago, and it is looking at how to use the data that you've been collecting through your time tracking over the last week and 2 weeks of using the platform. So today we are looking at pulling a report based on the time tracking we have done. So let's get started. So to start with, make sure you are logging your time for this work that you're doing. So whether you do that through the studio whiteboard tickets that we created right at the beginning, or you log it at the end through the time tracking. So to generate the report, we're going to go into our time tracking section. I'm going to scroll down to this middle section here, and I want you to put in your studio name as the project. So that project that you created that you're tracking and logging all of this admin work against, and the date range. So for this week. And then I want you to be able to see the difference between the hours that you logged this week versus the hours you've logged last week. And I want you to start to see a trend around the amount of time you are spending on working on your business versus what you maybe are thinking you're spending on it. And really, you should be aiming for between around 20 to 25% of your time working on your business is about the right mark. Because when I talk about on your business, that doesn't just include systems and processes, but that also includes things like social media, marketing, sales, following up on leads. That's all of that stuff that's captured in that kind of category of working on your business. So I'd love for you to pull this report for the week, see where you're up to, and compare it against the times you've done last week. Now, if you're a bit out, have a think and make sure you've logged all the time. Is your calendar, in the section above, is it full? Have you really put down all of those hours that you've worked? So I would love for you to do that, pull that report and compare so that you are starting to see what the trend is for how much time you are spending on your business. And from that, you're able to work out, are you covering those hours in your fee proposals? Are you allowing yourself enough time in your allocated week to cover that? And when you get to doing something like time blocking, knowing that you need 10, 15 hours for non-project related work, you're able to set aside enough time to do that, which is then meaning that you're not going to not get to it. It's not going to fall off the bottom of the list because you just haven't allocated enough time in your week to do it. So I hope you find it really interesting pulling this report and comparing what you did last week with what you did this week. Okay, see you tomorrow, guys.